Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your only second right here. Just hanging around. Found myself a bird. I don't know if you've ever found a bird before, but I certainly have now. And I decided to go ahead and name him Birdie Sanders. He's a Jew. Uh, okay, so maybe he's not, but all jokes aside, he's a little teenager bird that fell out of his nest up there, and mommy bird and daddy bird are really angry, and they keep swooping in and dive bombing, trying to get Birdie Sanders back, but I'm holding them hostage. You ain't getting my Birdie Sanders, baby. Oh shit, there's a daddy bird. Give me a second. Look at him eyeing me. Look at him eyeing me, throwing shade. You know, I hate to say it, but, you know, if you love something, let it go, and if it comes back, well, then shit. But obviously, Birdie Sanders isn't coming back. He's mine now. Sucks to suck, but it's just the way it is.